Happy birthday to you. Tamang sinagwapa, mana sa kita. My wish, stay young, pretty and sexy. And I hope nga magtabo na kayo nagka sang kambal. I miss you and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, gang. I wish na healthy ka, kagwapa man Japon. I hope na i-bless ka ni Papa God na magbusong ka na. More bliss to come. From Dubai.
I miss you.
Happy
all.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. I miss you.
Happy birthday sa pakaisa kong gwapa! Wish ko na masaya at enjoy ka sa araw mo ngayon. Marami kang pagsubok na pinagdaanan sa buhay, kaya naman deserve mo maging masaya. More candles blue in the future. God bless your family and be an inspiration to our family. Bye!
Sa pinakapalangga ko nga pakaisa, siyempre guwapa. Nen, happy 40th birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And of course, healthy lang kita always. Nen, enjoy mo ang imong pagsilibral sa imong birthday da with your family, our family of course. Kag si nanay tatay mo malipayon man nga ara sila da sa imo gaugyon kay kapitan kag aton nga mga pakaisahan para lang isilibral ang imong 40th birthday. I always tani nga ara man kami da makaugyon sa imo para masadya man kita tanan. Pero ang akon lang mensahe, napasalamat ako nga hatag mo man tanan para sa imong pamilya, being responsible daughter in your family. Taliwat nin, happy birthday. Kind regards sa tanan da sa inyo tanan. Happy lang, enjoy at saka God bless us always. Hopefully, see you soon. Enjoy lang ang muda at saka enjoy the party. Dance. Bye.
Hello everyone. I just want to greet a happy birthday to our dearest friend, our dearest sister, Ginaline. It's your 40th birthday. So ang wish ko lang na sana matupad pa lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And more blessings to come. Ang importante, patuloy lang laban sa buhay. Huwag ka susuko. Lahat kayo dyan, sana mag-enjoy lang kayo sa party. And sana soon, very soon, magkita-kita tayo ulit lahat dyan. Dahil miss namin ang Pilipinas. Okay? Have fun and God bless you all. We love you. Bye-bye.
She pretty and sexy. She is generous for best dancer sa grupo nila in Hong Kong. Stay safe and God bless. Hope magkabibi na sila ni Blues Cup. This is celebrating her 40th birthday. Happy birthday ni si Ma'am Ginaline Albania Dator. Hope you enjoy your special day to celebrate with us and God bless you.
Birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday sa may celebrate ngayon. Wishing you the best and good health. Wishing na magkaroon pa ng baby kayo ni Kap para mayroon na kayong alagaan. Happy birthday ulit. Wala ng MMK. You know already. Enjoy sa party. Wishing you all. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Sis, happy birthday. Good health and more birthday pa nga mag-aabot sa imo.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Today is your birthday and I wish you all the best in your life. And pasensya git. Kay wala ta ka ma-surprise. Tani naintindihan mo kay ang surprise nga para sa imo, tani nauna na. Nakuha mo na ang surprise. So enjoy your day and take good care always. Thank you so much, ma'am, for all. Thank you. You're my sister. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Gigi ko